damay kisi, Camilla, career, ginawa ni Palit, tinaas ni magturo kay Palit. Wow! Ang brainy mo doon. Ang score po natin ay 1-0 in favor of the Tigers. Magturo, ginawa ni Mr. Torres. Tinaas yung kada kay Mr. Torres, ngunit non-over by Mr. Torres. Ang score po natin ay 2-0 in favor of the Tigers. Magturo again to the second time, serving the ball. Nakuha ni Mr. Gabunay. In-over ni Mr. Torres, kanisip ni Mr. Lamonte. Tinaas ni Mr. Magturo kay Mr. Lamboloto. Ginawa ni Lizzie, drop ball by Mr. Moncada. Point, Bumaning Spikers. Ang score po natin ay 1-2 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Shena, ginawa ni Magturo. Itinaas si Palis, papalo si Mr. Lamboloto, na-receive ni Mr. Hamilla. Itinaas si Mr. Moncada, follow by Mr. Torres, na-receive ni Mr. Lamonte. Papalo si Mr. Linaw, outside, Happy Fiesta. Barangay Bumanay. Ang score po natin ay 0-2. 0-2. Mr. Shena, for the second time, serving the ball, service error by Mr. Shena. Alright, Mr. Hinaw in the serving area. Mr. Hinaw serving the ball. Kinuha ni Mr. Hamilla. Set by Mr. Torres, in-over ni Moncada. Received by Mr. Lamonte, namulit over receive. Ayan, regalo. Doon tayo nagkamali. Smile on your face by Mr. Lamboloto. Labas lahat ng 24 ng ngipin. Service ace by Mr. Hinaw. Ang score po natin ay 5-2 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Hinaw again. Service error by Mr. Hinaw. And this time, Mr. Moncada in the serving area. Mr. Moncada will serve the ball. Yung nag-receive ni Mr. Lamonte. Set by Magturo. Nag-receive mo Miss Moncada. Mr. Heasley. Outside. Ang ingat po. Doon po sa kukuha ng bola. Dandahan lang po tayo sapagkat madulas po ang ating kapaligiran. Ang score natin 6-3 po ang score natin in favor of the Tigers. Pallets in the serving area. Pallets serve the ball. Dahay! Mr. Torres, itinaas kay Mr. Hamilla. Drop ball. Kawit crossing. Crossing on the line by Mr. Hamilla. Ang score po natin ay 7-3 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Lamboloto serving the ball. Service ace by Mr. Lamboloto. Contact sir 963-857-4586. Mr. Lamboloto. Received by Mr. Moncada. Over by Mr. Torres. Received by Mr. Lamonte. Tinaas kay Mr. Brocal. Received by Mr. Moncada. Set by Torres to Amelia. Received by Mr. Lamonte. Papalo si Mr. Lamonte. Received by Mr. Shena. Regalo. Kinuha ni Mr. Torres. Papalo si Mr. Hamilla. Ay! Tawag ng tanghal sa showtime. At ang mamon from Luzon, Mr. Dave Mesiano. Ang huling tapatan. Alright, ang score po natin ay 8-5 in favor of the Tigers. Receive by Mr. Lamonte, tinaas kay Mr. Brocal. Na-receive ni Mr. Moncada, tinaas kay miscommunication between Mr. Shena and Mr. Malone. serving area. Brocal serving the ball, nakuha ni Mr. Hamillan, set by Mr. Torres. Drop ball by Mr. Gapunay, tinaturo kay Mr. Nino. A drop ball net. Not over by Mr. Nino. Ang score po natin ay 9-6 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Gapunay in the serving area. Mr. Gapunay sa Gapunay receiving Mr. Brocal, set by and inside by Mr. Ramonte. Ang score po natin ay 10-6 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Ramonte serving the ball, na-receive Mr. Gabunay. Drop ball by Mr. Ramonte, received by Mr. Brocal, set to now outside hitter by Mr. Hinaw. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Kabugan. Doon kayo magpa-picture ay. Sinet ni Mr. Mongada, papala si Torres. Wow, powerful hit by Mr. Torres. Ang score po natin ay 10-8 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Amelia in the serving area. Mr. Amelia serving the ball. Tinali Mr. Brocal. Set by Magturo to Powers. Check ball. Set by Mungkada. Over by Mr. Torres. Nakuha ni Mr. Lamonte. Set by Magturo to Powers. Papalan. Over received by Mr. Hisley. Point the Tigers. Ang score po natin ay 11-8. In favor of the Tigers. Magturo in the serving area. Magturo serving the ball. Received by service ace by Magturo. Magturo service error by Mr. Magturo. Ang score po natin ay 9-12 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Shena, serving the ball na receive ni Mr. Brocal. Tinaas ni Mr. Magturo kay Mr. Lambuloto. Ay, ngunit. Find the whole number. Ang score natin ay 38 in favor of the Tigers. Na-receive ni Mr. Hinaw, set by Pallets. Over by Mr. Brocaus, sandang. Papala Mr. Torres. Over by Pallet. Ngunit, outside. Ang score po natin ay 13-10 in favor of the Tigers. Alright, shout out po sa ating 1.5 million viewers in the Marinduque covered court. Set by Mungada, over by Mr. Torres, received by Mr. Hinaw, set by Magturo to Brocal, papay si Brocal, and then received by Mr. Amelia, set to Mr. Gapunay, Jonas Sabete by Mr. Gapunay. Ang score po natin ay 13-11 in favor of the Tigers. Mungkada in the serving area, Mungkada serving the ball, service ace by Miss Mungkada. Ang score po natin ay 13-12 in favor of the Tigers. Received by Brocal, sinet ni Magturo, knock over by Palito. Ang score po natin ay deadlock 13. Mungkada again for the third time, serving the ball, received ni Brocal. Itinas ni Magturo kay Mr. Lambuloto, drop ball by Mr. Lambuloto. Wow, powerful drop ball. Mid ball. Ang score po natin ay 4-3, 14-13. Pallets in the serving the ball na receive ni Mr. Shena. Ngunit walang kamuha. Ang score po natin ay 15-13 in favor of the Tigers. 2-point lead. Pallets again for the second time, ngunit service error by Mr. Pallets. Ang score po natin ay 15-14 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Torres serving the ball. Mr. Torres, na-receive ni Mr. Brocal, set by... Na-receive ni Ms. Moncada, set ni Torres kay Mr. Javilla. Why? Crossing on the line. Points to Tigers. Ang score po natin ay 16-14 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Lampuluto, jersey number 11, serving the ball. Received ni Ms. Moncada, set to Torres, over by Mr. Capunay, received ni Mr. Culamonte, and papalo, Mr. Lamonte, happy fiesta, sir! In advance. Powerful hit. Ang hit. Hoy, ball matapang. Ayan, good ball. Naisip ko Mr. Capunay. Ang score po natin ay 17-15 in favor of the Tigers. Brocal serving the ball. Service saves by Mr. Brocal. Ang score po natin ay 18-15. Mr. Brocal in the serving area. Mr. Brocal serving the ball. Pinol Mr. Hisley. Listen at Mr. Hamila kay Mr. Shena, over by Mr. Shena, ngunit not over by Mr. Shena. Ang score po natin ay 19-15 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Brocal again for the third time, serving the ball. Mr. Brocal serving the ball, na-receive ni Ms. Moncada. Sinet Vapo, by Mr. Vapo. Ang score po natin ay 20-15 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Brocal again for the fourth time, serving the ball. Mr. Brocal serving the ball. Na-receive ni Mr. Torres, set by Mr. Hamilla. Papala si Torres for the second line. Na-receive ni Mr. Lambuluto. Drop ball by Magturo, set by Hamilla. Wow, powerful drop ball by Mr. Hamilla. Ang score po natin ay 2016 on round 1. Boxing. Mr. Capunay serving the ball. Service saves by Mr. Capunay. Mr. Capunay again for the second time serving the ball. Mr. Capunay serving the ball, na-receive ni Mr. Lambuluto. Ngunit outside by Mr. Lambuluto. Ang score po natin ay 2018 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Capunay again. Na-receive na Mr. Lambuluto, sinati magturo kay Mr. Hinaw, in-over ni Mr. Hinaw, received by Mr. Rizali, drop ball by Mr. Hamilla. Sinati Mr. Magturo, papalo si Hinaw, ngunit outside by Mr. Hamilla. Ang score po natin ay 2019 in favor of received by Lambuluto, na-receive ni Moncada. Ayan, ngunit not over by Mr. Moncada. Ang score po natin ay 21-19. Mr. Lamonte sa the ball, na-receive po Mr. Usually tinaas ni Mr. Amiga. Papalo si Torres. Wow! Powerful drop ball by Mr. Torres. Ang score po natin ay 21-20 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Hamilla serving the ball, ngunit outside by Mr. Hamilla. Ayan. Magturo serving the ball, powerful serve by Mr. Magturo. Ang serve natin ay 21-22 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Shena serving the ball. Outside by Mr. Shena. Ang score po natin ay 23-21 in favor of the Tigers. Mr. Hinaw, number 10, serving the ball. Services by Mr. Hinaw. Set point for the Tigers. Ang score po natin ay 24-21. Ayan, service error by Mr. Hinaw. Ang score po natin ay 24-22 in favor of the Tigers. Miss Moncada. Miss Moncada serving the ball. Na-receive ni Palitz, set by Magturo. over by Paris outside. Ang score po natin ay 23-24 in favor of the Tigers. Miss Moncada, rather, again, for the second time, serving the ball na receive ni Mr. Lamante, set to magturo to Palace. Na-receive to Shena, set to magturo to Torres usually, nakuha ni magturo. One to nice from Mr. Gapunay, not over by Mr. Gapunay. This is